everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul for you guys. I went to Walmart, I picked up some stuff, and I thought, maybe I should do a Walmart haul. So here we are right now. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I went to Walmart, I picked up some stuff. I did not get really any makeup, but I got some other products, and there's one thing that I'm really excited about. I think I'm gonna do a video on it, but let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I got is this tank top right here from Walmart. This was only like $3. It's just like a plain black tank top. There is so many of them at at Walmart right now. They have so many different colors and stuff. So I got myself a black one. And then, let me show you. This is the main reason why I went to Walmart, is because of this girl. She's on TikTok and she buys these Wrangler jeans from Walmart and she turns them into shorts and she bleaches them and she kind of cuts them up a little bit. So I want to try it. I think I'm going to do it on YouTube here and we'll try it out and see. So these are the jeans. I do not know if they are gonna fit me or not. I feel like they should. They are size 33s. The length doesn't matter. It's just like make sure they fit around the waist. So the jeans that you need are the Wrangler Rustler jeans. So I picked these up in this color here. They're only like 12 something a pair, so like $13. And then I also got this color right here, same size, just a darker color. I really like the shorts that she made. They are super cute. I will try and link her TikTok account down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I will hopefully be making this video within the next couple days, so cross your fingers for that. I also picked up this tool right here to cut the pants into shorts because she was saying that she uses scissors sometimes, but this tool is a lot better. This was like $9. They had some more expensive ones, like $20 price range, but I know I'm not going to be using this a lot, so I was like, I'm going to get the cheaper one. Hopefully it works. The next thing that I got is this shirt. I picked this shirt up because she also turned this shirt into something a little bit cuter. I thought in the same video that I do, I'll play around with that shirt too. And then when I was there, I saw this shirt and I thought it was cute, and I thought maybe I could dazzle it up a little bit and turn it into something a little bit cuter. Now the rest of the stuff is like beauty related stuff. So I picked myself up some conditioner. I run out of conditioner so fast, you guys. Like, it's ridiculous. I am right now using this Dove shampoo and conditioner, but it's like a squirt bottle one, and the thing broke on it, so I have to like take the cap off and like pour it in my hands. So I picked this up because this is like a nice size. It is 25 fluid ounces, and I feel like I've used this brand before, but I thought we'll try it. I am going in 2 days, and I'm holding up 4 fingers. I'm going in 2 days to get my hair done. I am going blonde, you guys. We're gonna do like a balayage look. I was going to do it myself, but then I was like, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just wait. So I got an appointment and I'm going in like 2 days to get my hair done. I'm so excited. Okay, so for this reason, I picked this thing up. This is Got to Be Flexing Molding Paste. So this, I believe, well, that's weird. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. I don't think this is what I wanted. I wanted like a wax to hold back my baby hairs, but this isn't really a wax, but let's try it out and see. Oh yeah, that holds it back. So when I put my hair up in a ponytail, a bun, whatever, I have like little baby hairs that want to like fly up. Yeah, you see it's not laying like flat to my head like I would want it to. I have this one wax that I got from, I think, Dollar General, and I like it, but it leaves like a white kind of flakiness behind. So I don't really like it for that reason. I'm still playing around with it to see if I can get it to work. But I thought that this is what it was. I thought this was a wax, and it's not. It's a molding paste. It says low shine, so that's why I wanted it, because I don't want it to be like too shiny when the rest of my hair isn't going to be shiny. And it said a medium hold, so I'm not sure what this is for, but it's not what I wanted, so that's a flop. The next thing that I got is from Dove, and this is the dry shampoo. I wanted to get this one because this one is for brunette hair, and I have a lot of dry shampoo, but I'm going to be filming a video right after this video, and I need a dry shampoo, and I wanted to use one that would, you know, be for, like, that wouldn't have the white look in your hair. You know what I'm talking about. I love Dove like dry shampoos. They smell so good, and they really do soak up the oil. So some of my favorite dry shampoos. The next thing that I got here is from Wet n Wild. I wanted to get the whole Care Bear collection, but my Walmart did not have it at first. So I went to Walmart, I went to check, and they did not have it. So I was like, okay, whatever. I go back to Walmart to pick up stuff for Easter, and I saw that they had the collection there. I was so excited. I'm like scooting my cart like fast over there just to find out this is all they had, plus some nails, which I didn't want to get the nails. So I got this. It is the sponge, but it says that it changes colors, so it's purple. I feel like it's gonna turn like a blue shade maybe. Yeah, so I wanted to get this and try it out. I do like Wet n Wild's sponges, so I feel like that's a win-win. I literally only have 2 more products. This is a really short haul. So I saw this at Walmart, and I thought it was very interesting. I haven't heard anyone talk about this. It is from the brand Hano, I don't know. But it is their on-the-go blemish patches. It looks like it's like in a tape dispenser type of thing, so let's open it up and see. So this is what it looks like. I use blemish patches all the time. I haven't found one that I am like absolutely in love with yet, but I've only tried ones from the drugstore. I haven't tried any higher end ones. So I wanted to give this one a shot. I forgot how much this was. What I liked about it is that it was like in a little tape dispenser. So you just like pull it and oh, it comes out on top. Do you see that? That is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it like comes out on top there. So that's cool, because when you are pulling off a patch from like you know what I'm talking about, usually like it gets like all messed up on me. So this is really neat because you just pull it and then it flops up, and here is the patch. I like it. I just wasted one. Yeah, I will try this out and I will let you guys know if it's any good. I feel like this was at least 10 bucks, but I can't remember. I cannot remember. And you get 108 patches. That is a lot of patches. Holy moly. 108 patches. This is gonna last me a while. I had one that I got from Walmart. It was in a little yellow thing. I used that and I wasn't a fan of it. It didn't really draw out like all the junk from the pimple, and I've had to like use them multiple nights in a row. So I will put it on at nighttime before I go to bed, and then when I wake up in the morning, usually I pull off the patch, and then like it just draws everything to the surface, and then you take it off, you wash your face, and then usually the pimple just like dries up and goes away. With the ones that I got from Walmart in that yellow packaging, they didn't. I had to use like literally, it was like 5 nights in a row, and I still have like a little pimple right here. You can't see it because I have like a massive amount of makeup on right now, but I have a pimple right here and then one kind of on my forehead and one over here. Don't ask me why, in weird spots like that, but it did not take them away. I did have acne around my chin area and it did work a little bit better for them, but for these three, they didn't. So hopefully this one does what it's supposed to and it makes mama happy. The last thing that I got from Walmart has a lot of like awesome skincare brands there that I have not seen before, and I wanted to pick up everything, but I limited myself to one product because my skin is very sensitive, and if I use a product, it could irritate my skin, and like that brand just doesn't work for me. So I ended up only picking up one, and this is from the brand One of One. It looks like this. I got the Super Hydrating Mask. I got the Super Hydrating Mask because it seemed very interesting. My face is bad, you guys. Like, it's so dry. Now that it's getting to be summertime, even though I'm in Minnesota and we're still getting snow in April. So I would say in the winter time, it's like dry. I have dry skin. And then in the summertime, I would say it's like a combo. It's like a little combo. But yeah, so I got this. On the front, it says Butterface. Butterface. What does that even mean? It looks like this. This was like $8 or $9 for this little thing. How many fluid ounces is in here? 0.67 fluid ounces, you guys. Like, the packaging is cute. I like the packaging on it. But let's open it up and see. Ooh. Okay, so on the box, it says avocado oil shea butter. So this is what it looks like. You guys, like, there is like no product in here. There is none. And I feel like this is the only size they had. They might have had like a bigger size that I didn't see, but let's apply it to the back of the hand and see. I don't really smell anything, which is fine because it's skincare. I don't really want my skincare to have a strong scent because it might irritate my skin. For super hydrating, it doesn't feel any different. Like, I feel like I have other masks that are way more hydrating than this one. And this isn't gonna last that long, like I said. But apply products to my face, I usually am like, ugh, I lather stuff on. So we'll see how many uses I get out of this. And then this will go into my empties video. So you guys will soon be hearing me talk about this product, if I like it or not. That is it for this video. I thought I had more products from Walmart, but I didn't. So this is gonna be a really short video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!